Hello, good morning friends. Today we discuss about the same paper 10, the history of English language. Unit 3. Already we covered the four topics: homophones, homonyms, the influence of archaicism, the influence of dialect, and fourth one is the development of dictionaries. And today we discuss about the fifth topic from the dear friends. Once again, I advise to you that you answer the question that was asked by me, because now we are studying the online education. That's why there are 100% possibility that you will appear after Diwali, or we can say that in online exam. And you know about that in online exam there was an MCQ, and that's why I asked the question, prepare your notes, write down your notes. That's why it is easy for you to prepare the question bank of the each paper. And that's why I have to cover all the topic in the paper 10. Unit 4 we have to complete 20 linguistic note. Then we have to try to complete all the 7 short notes. And that's why because in the descriptive exam, my dear friends, it may possible you have to leave the optional question. But in competitive, or we can say, in the online exam, they ask the question from all the syllabus. That's why be active participant in the group, answer the question, prepare your notes, which is helpful to you in online exam. Okay friends, after completion of the 4 topics, or the 5th one today we discuss is mostly what is the goal of. Generally, dear friends, whenever I am a student of English language and literature in college time, sometimes I have to, whenever I attend the lecture of the samsar, even I in my college in graduation in Matnagar, then I took admission in the Vidyanagar, Anand, and here I also studied MA. Later on I completed my MPhil in North Gujarat University, and I have to did my PhD in South Gujarat University. During this we can say that academic journey or educational journey, I have to come into contact with a number of the sirs. They are the scholar of the university. They are not, we can say that, because I did my MA in Department of SP University. I did my MPhil in Department of HNG University. I did my PhD in the Department of South Gujarat University. And it is said about generally those are the most, we can say, the scholar, versatile lecturers, so we can say the professor who are taught in the department. And among all of that, so here I have to learn something from that, how to speak, which sir spoke, or we can say which sir language, speaking style is very fine, very good, and I have to find out that it is better than that sir, or it is better than other. And each difference is, we have to, whenever we become a student in language, we try to learn to speak fluently and correctly. And second goal is to write down properly. These are the 2 goals whenever we can get admission in English language, as student of English language and literature. So we try to speak perfectly and write perfectly. So here we discuss about the topic is concerned about that, and today we discuss about that topic is concerned about the which is called, okay, we speak in English is proper or not, then Tamil people speak is proper or not, American people speak is proper or not, Australian people speak is proper, or British people, because each and every people speak English. There was sound was quite different. What are you doing, Mr. Naresh? What are you doing, Mr. Naresh? What are you doing, Mr. Naresh? These are the tone and intonation. So which is the proper? We have to, that was the question about which style is perfect. And this topic we discuss today in standard English. Today we discuss about the topic, and the most important topic is what is standard English. Because the same, I speak the same sentence in a 3 different tone. But the grammatical, the sentence is the same, but the tone, intonation are the different. So which is the standard one? Okay, we try to understand that which English is called the standard English. So before that, it is generally the question of what is standard English, what is good English, or we can call what is standard English. What is good English or what is the standard English? The question always invite or raise the controversy and criticism. Because dear friend, I have to say that I am also put my own allegation or put on my own rights. So I speak proper English. What are you doing now? Grammatical, that's a perfect sentence. What are you doing now? Then what are you doing now? And then how can it be standard or not standard? In the same people in the South India, what are you doing now? What are you doing now? So this is the same sentence. What are you doing now? So how the person say that my grammatically I am also perfect. A British speak that English. What are you doing? What are you doing? And that he can also call that my English is perfect. So how to judge that? Because and that's why this question invite the criticism and controversy. Criticism मतलब टीका विवेचन and controversy the विरोधाभास जो करे. Every people say about that my English is perfect, and everyone wants to say that my English is also perfect. How can we judge that? How we can justify that? Which English is the standard English? Which English is a good English? So here, dear friend, we try to analyze that question. Okay, but in the beginning of the stage, Professor Ward, W-R-D, a professor level, he can give the definition right to that. The people of those standard English is the English which is spoken by the higher class people or the sophisticated people. Standard English means that this English is spoken by the highest strata of the society. We can say the sophisticated people or higher class. उच्च वर्ग ना लोग को बोलता हुआ है standard English क्या? But somehow the definition was not acceptable for the long time. Why? Because dear friends, we know about that. Even that we can say that a son and daughter of a worker, a daughter of a, we can say the farmer, who is illiterate people, but their son and daughter get a good education in school and colleges. Yes, friend. The same condition in that those are the students you have to still in a standard in TYPA last semester. Most of the fathers or parents who got very less education, we can say that they have the basic education, and some parents may be illiterate. They don't know the English language, but you do the hard work and you get a good command over the language. Even that's your father are a farmers, and you belong to the lower strata of the society. Even that you can speak very good English. So how can we can say that the standard English is the English of the standard English of the sophisticated people, high strata of the society? Here question was raised. તમે કઈ રીતે કહી શકો કે ઉચ્ચ વર્ગનું અંગ્રેજી બોલવામાં લોકો બોલતા હોય એ ઇંગ્લિશને સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ ઇંગ્લિશ કહેવું? બરાબર ને મિત્રો? કારણ કે કદાચ અભણ ખેડૂત કે મજદૂરના પુત્ર પુત્રી પણ સારી સ્કૂલ અને કોલેજમાં એજ્યુકેશન મેળવીને સારું અંગ્રેજી બોલી શકે છે. શું તેમને ઇંગ્લિશને સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ ઇંગ્લિશ ન કહેવું? there was a question mark, dear friends. And here it was created, the same we have to come to our, and here we can say that there is no social monopoly on standard English. Monopoly, virtuoso, pakad. There was no social monopoly. We cannot say that those are the higher people, higher strata of the society. They speak the standard English. In the spoken English, the standard English is the not. It not has any kind of, does not have any social monopoly. Anybody can speak if you have got a good education, or you can say that it is concerned with the education. You can speak the standard English. But what is standard English? The question was stand up to. તો સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ ઇંગ્લિશ એ શું? ચલો આ સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ ઇંગ્લિશ નથી, એવું તો આપણે સાબિત કર્યું કે ઉચ્ચવર્ગના લોકો બોલે એ જ નહીં. કોઈ પણ વ્યક્તિ સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ ઇંગ્લિશ ભણેલો ગણો બોલી શકે. પણ સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ ઇંગ્લિશ એટલે શું? તો નાઉ ડિયર ફ્રેન્ડ્સ વી ડિસ્કસ. Because generally you can say that from we have to try to analysis for there was an English language, dear friend. You remember there are three. I asked the question. There are three periods, not English literature, my dear friends. There was a Chaucer up to the postmodernism. I asked the question, discuss about the period of history of English language, not literature. English language as a three period: Old English period, Middle English period, and Modern English period. Up to the 16th century, it is called the Middle English period. And there was in the 16th century, you know about that, dear friend. In the last video, we discussed about the author of the book and asked the question. In 1611, authorized the translation of the Bible from Hebrew language into the vernacular English language. Hebrew ભાષામાંથી વર્નાક્યુલર બોલીમાં વપરાતી ભાષા અંગ્રેજીમાં એનું પ્રભાષણ થતું.